I just wanted to give you a heads up that the meeting this afternoon has been canceled. So now, what does the expression mean? When you give someone a heads up, you're giving them advance notice. You're telling them about something that they may not have already known. And so that's the assumption. I'm going to give you a heads up because I want you to know this before something else happens. Hey, just a heads up, the boss is angry. It just means, just so you know, the boss is upset. So if you need to talk to him about anything, then you might want to hold off and do it at another time. And that simply means to take smaller steps towards accomplishing a goal, towards making progress in doing something. We typically use it when we talk about jobs or vocations. Commonly, that's when you'll hear someone say, hey, you know what? I know this isn't the best position. I know this is not ideal. It's not what you wanted, but you just want to get your foot in the door. So perhaps you can just do administrative work, and as you're finishing classes, once you pass the bar exam, then you can apply to be a paralegal, and eventually once you're licensed, you can become a lawyer. But for now, just accept this position in the law firm doing administrative work just to get your foot in the door. It's one step closer to your goal. To call it a day means to stop, to end, to wrap things up. So guys, we've been working on this project for hours. And I mean, I'm tired. I'm exhausted. My eyes are burning. I can't do this anymore. So let's just call it a day. Let's stop working and let's pick up tomorrow. Let's start again tomorrow. So that's basically it. That's the idiom, to call it a day.